42 divided by 42 equals 1, and 42 divided by 42 gives us 1, and 1 divided by 1, which gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, when we have more than one division, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this division, it's wrong. Okay? Let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 42 divided by 42, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 42 divided by 42. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 42, which can be written as 1 over 42 divided by 42. So to make this division, we have to drop down 1 over 42, then change division to multiplication, then flip the 42 to be 1 over 42, which equals 1 over 1764. And this was our final answer for this problem.